would be able to play cricket without my gender deciding my abilities and skills and my clothes deciding my character.
I'd be able to believe that my body is my home, even if it doesn't look like what the society think it should look like.
And I feel that the boys would have been much more vocal about what they're going through emotionally.
When I was in the 7th grade, I was beaten up and I cried because I was beaten up pretty badly and was bullied because of that and was horribly embarrassed about it. Maybe even men can open up more easily.
I would be able to travel the world alone like I want to without having to rely on a man.
I would be able to go out alone and wear whatever I wanted without the fear of being molested or raped.
I would be able to put my career first and not just a second priority, along with housekeeping as a given premise.
I would be able to go bald without it having to be some sort of a statement.
I would be able to live in a society with zero competition. Everyone is same.
My parents, my family would have known me for who I actually am rather than who I try to be for them.
I would be able to enjoy sports without someone questioning my general knowledge or mansplaining basic terms to me.
I wouldn't have to think before talking about the times I was sexually harassed or molested or catcalled or even slut-shamed.
I would be able to live a life where I don't believe that every decision that I make needs to be validated by every man in my life, be it my father, my brother, my boyfriend or my ex.
Wear anything I'd like, not having to worry about who I'm gonna offend or what kind of clothes I'm wearing.
I would be able to express my thoughts more openly, because if a man says something unconventional, it's considered to be revolutionary. But if a woman does the same, it's considered to be hysterical and crazy, and it's just extremely demotivating.
I would be happier in my house.
I, like many other girls, will not be questioned about my whereabouts all the time.
The concept of gender roles and expectations wouldn't exist in this place, then I would be allotted a set of responsibility, duties or standards that I need to fulfill, that I need to fit in that box. That wouldn't be there. It would cease to exist.
I would be able to dress up because that's a huge part of me, which is considered to be effeminate. I would be able to do all the stuffs that women do without being called effeminate.
I'll be able to use my mother's surname as mine. I'll be known as Saroj Kavita Pachar.
I would be able to express my opinions, my thoughts, and not be judged, and not be considered less of a man.
I would walk from my campus to my house, which is 500 meters away, and not take an auto ride instead, because I'm afraid of a man masturbating at me while I'm walking home.
I would try to watch more movies in Bollywood without thinking about the number of item songs and objectification that it tends to have.
I would be able to live life without facing misogyny and having to talk about it and then hearing not all men in response whenever I do.
I would be able to live without my parents taunting me that I will face difficulty when I get married because I don't know how to cook.
I would be able to earn on my own without my father saying, "Am I not able to fulfill your needs? Or is your pocket money less?"
I would be able to get rid of this persistent sense of doubt that I am being underestimated or not taken seriously for being a girl.
That I would not be burdened by knowing that my mom's identity was restricted to being a mother or a wife.
I would perform all my tasks without this internal pressure to outperform all the boys around me just so I could prove everybody wrong.
Book a ticket to anywhere I've always wanted to go and on a solo trip and just be there without the fear of this in my head that I might get raped, and it's a constant fear.
I'll be able to confront my family about a lot of things, about the mistakes, the adventures, and the experiments that I want to do and the ones that I've done. So this whole thing of coming out would not exist.
I could finally hold men accountable. Instead of telling women to accommodate, we could end this culture of male entitlement.